Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you can click. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.